Hey guys, so this is a beta, but basically I've got some new in-game effects using this technology called DOFLinx. So big thanks to the DOFLinx developer for his collaboration here. So basically we got some new features for you. So you'll notice when you start a MAME game, you'll see now this insert coins at the top. And so as I insert a coin, play a little cool animation there. Tell us if we're on player 1 or player 2 mode. And when I start the game, we basically have some little effects there at the top on the LED display. And then one thing that we've added is you'll notice that as I'm shooting these ships pretty quickly, the animations will kind of overlay so that you don't have a big lag. So when I stop, there's none. When I start again, you'll see them. So that is a new feature, which we call overlays. Okay, so same thing with player 1 and player 2. And now you'll see nice little explosions there. As I shoot up the asteroids, those are all in kind of black and white, true to the original game. All this artwork is all, in some cases, hand done. We've got some more modern games with some effects. This is Aerogallet. Okay, so see, this one's got a lot of action, so you're going to see a lot of explosions. You notice that the score is right there, so if you've got a Pixelcade dot display, we'll show the score as well. Shoot a ship. See, nice little explosion there. And I think what we did on this one, we add some logic, and this is configurable by game. So if I don't do anything after 3 seconds or so, the marquee will come back, just like it did there. So if I, again, and that's something we can configure. So see my effects, then if I'm not doing anything, nothing's going on, the marquee will come back like that. So that is, okay, so same kind of thing. We'll do a little explosion animation. As I get to different levels, they should change colors, just like that. Okay, so as I do a little power pellet, you'll see a little animation there as I get the ghost. There we go. Guys. Okay, now when I get the last Frogger, you'll see a nice little level up animation. So let's do this. So it's going to show you your rank. And so we actually also did this on LCD as well. So this is one of the few games, and hopefully we can add more over time, that's got some animations or outputs for LCD as well. So you've got an LCD display that will, you'll see that on Gorf. Got the overlay high scores on the marquee there. That feature's been there a while. I am horrible at Donkey Kong, so let's see if I can make it. See a little effect there. I jump over. If I play a game that doesn't have DOFLinx effects, like let's say, I'm just picking one at random, Paperboy. There's no DOFLinx effects, but we should still see the insert coin like this, because that applies to all the games. So that's kind of nice. Again, that's a new feature here, and you get the nice little animation when you put in a coin. All right, so it's out for beta. See the link there. I hope you guys like it, and if you do try the beta, definitely let us know how it goes.